Dr. Ravi Kothari. I practice aesthetic dermatology in Pune. I run a clinic by the name of Sparsh in Aund in Pune. As a part of my practice regularly, in the initial years of my practice, I used to be recommending a lot of diet and diet-based protocols to all my patients who generally have been coming to me with a lot of hormonal issues for their facial hair, females for facial hair, for acne, a lot of pigmentation issues, a lot of hair issues. So most of the times the primary problem was related to the deficiencies, which was difficult to cover with a normal diet. As a part of my regular practice, apart from the treatments which have been carried on, diet has been an essential part of the program because internal health adds on to the treatments overall. So I have been always recommending patients to have a lot of supplements otherwise, apart from the normal process. Now, when one ends up taking a lot of vitamins and minerals and other products, it generally ends up with decent results. But because all of these are chemical based, it ends up having certain amount of reaction into one's body and might not help optimally. From the time I learned all this, I started recommending patients with a lot of superfood products with avocado, a lot of broccoli, kiwi fruit, leaves of kale, all of these things. So once patients have started taking these, the response was far better. And from the time I have come across with the superfood powder we have, it has been far more easier to encourage patients taking this. I encourage them to take this every day in the morning, empty stomach, which gives maximum absorption. In my last year of practice, where I've recommended more than say 300 patients, most of them have benefited a lot. It ends up giving a totally detoxified feel to the body. It ends up cleansing your body totally. So the absorption of whatever good is eaten is more. It helps me complement my treatment much better. With my personal experience in last 1 year, I feel, especially with females, this has been an unbelievable and very encouraging response as far as the diet goes. It is complemented and and given me response beyond my expectations. The results have amplified to a level wherein the energy level starts improving. It starts showing on their face as well. I would personally recommend it to almost all of us. One should be taking primordial prevention before actually going in for primary prevention. Before going sick, we would do, once we are sick, say somebody has diabetes, he'll end up taking all sorts of medicine, he'll follow all sorts of diet. But primordial prevention is where we should believe in. Primordial prevention happens before we end up getting the risk factors for a particular disease. So the risk factors like obesity, for the hormone changes, the stress, I think food forms the medicine for all of this. If we continue eating healthy, we are going to take care of the risk factors, therefore avoiding the diseases in future. Of course, experiencing a far healthier life always. I firmly believe in two-time Nobel Prize laureate Linus Pauling's findings in the 1950s. He believes in this, that all diseases and all deaths can be traced back to a deficiency or an imbalance of mineral of certain minute quantities into your body. So I believe whether it is a disease of your skin, whether it is your internal organic problem, right from a skin issue which is a minor issue to a major issue as big as a cancer, all can be traced back to a deficiency or imbalance of mineral. So I feel all superfoods eaten in optimum quantities can only help us enhance our lives, can prevent future diseases. So I believe food is medicine.